Unveiling the Sweet Secrets, flower syrup. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unfold the sweet and fragrant world of flower syrup. This delightful term conjures up images of blooming gardens and sugary delights, but what does it really mean? Let's dive in and discover together. Flower syrup is a sugary liquid made by infusing sweet syrup with the essence of edible flowers. This infusion creates a flavor that's often floral and sweet, capturing the essence of the flowers in a form that can be used to enhance various foods and drinks. From drizzling over pancakes to sweetening teas, flower syrup is a versatile ingredient. You can find it adding a special touch to cocktails, serving as a base for sodas, or even being used in baking to give a unique twist to classic recipes. Creating your own flower syrup is a simple process. It involves boiling sugar and water, then adding edible flowers, allowing them to steep until their flavor has been infused into the syrup. Once strained, the syrup is ready to use. The term flower syrup can also be used metaphorically in English. Describing something as sweet as flower syrup implies it's pleasing, delightful, or charming. It's a phrase that can add a touch of poetic flair to your language. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration into the sweet world of flower syrup. Whether you're planning to use it in your kitchen or just savor the beauty of the phrase, flower syrup is a delightful addition to both your pantry and your English vocabulary. Until next time, happy learning!